Oh, what do we have here? Today we have the moment doorbell cam proves woman is lying. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was a crazy video, and the turn that it takes, it involves one of our favorite actors of all time and his mom. He's actually one of my favorite wrestlers of all time. But to see this lady acting like this, and then her past shows us that she did something so crazy, so hectic. I don't even know why she's back in society. It's just mind-boggling to me that this lady could do something like this to one of our most favorite humans on the earth's mom. And it's just crazy to me. But we finna dive right into this reaction. And if y'all want to see what I'm talking about, stay all the way to the end. It'll open itself up, bro.
This woman gets caught hitting her boyfriend on camera.
Give me my key! Give me my key!
When her lies are exposed, she decides to take it out on the cops.
Stop!
She's a maniac on the floor.
You guys are a piece of shit.
Officers received a call about a domestic incident. When they arrived, the complainant was outside waiting to share his side of the story.
Hey, that's how you know when a motherfucker really ready to get this over with. When he's sitting outside his own house waiting for the cops to come because he tired of dealing with your shit. You gotta be for a man to be sitting outside his house waiting on the cops. You gotta be a real piece of work, baby.
Story short, guys. My girlfriend's in my house right now. You see the blood on my face.
Oh,
right?
man.
I was letting her stay. I was staying at my mom's house.
See what happens? Like, this is something that I hate about myself. I hate that I have such a big heart, bro. And the reason why I have such a big heart, because even when I know somebody is not good for me, I'll still lend them empathy and kindness, knowing damn well that they don't deserve it, bro.
She's an alcoholic, though. I know she's drinking. The car she's driving, the second car, the Honda, that car I was letting her use, but I don't want her using it if she's drinking, because it's in my name, including the insurance. So I came here today peacefully. I tried to take the keys from her. I'm like, I can't let you have this. I said, give me the keys, right? She left the keys laying there. I grabbed them. Christ, man.
Hold on, what is she doing?
What are you doing?
Give me my keys.
Get away
It's not, no.
Get away from me.
Give me my keys.
Get away from
Give
me.
me my keys.
What the fuck?
Give me my keys. You are touching me. I'm calling the police.
Get away from me.
Give me my keys.
Stop.
Give me my keys. Give me my keys. Give me my.
Did she just smack the shit out of him? Bro. Oh,
Hit
man.
me in the face, right? Pretty damn hard. Yeah, right in front of the fucking camera like a moron.
Was it working?
I guarantee it's on camera
This
from the car.
This is your house, right?
It is my house, yeah.
She's inside?
She is inside. She's probably in the bedroom. Terry!
Oh, no.
Officers head into the home to find the man's girlfriend. Here is what she had to say for herself.
You just came over here to harass me and you wanted to have sex with me, and I was like, I want nothing to do with you. And I just said, just leave me alone. It's been enough. You've done enough harm to me. You took my dog. He lost his job and he's at his parents' house.
Hold on. But he's sitting over here letting you borrow his car. How the fuck does that even work? How is that a team?
Being a mooch.
Change money back.
What? So I'm getting arrested. Stop. Why? I'm getting Dustin.
You guys won't believe what's finna happen next. This shit is crazy. And the person that it involves it's just heartbreaking because he's one of my favorite wrestlers of all time, bro.
You're getting me arrested? I'm getting arrested.
Yo ass going to jail.
Why?
He has marks on him. Anytime something
Yeah,
like this happens.
He did it himself. You guys are sick. You're sick individuals. Oh my god. You wanted this. You wanted this.
Stand right here. Nope, turn around.
No, don't touch me.
Ugh.
He's touching you, I'm not.
You are already touching me.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. She looks like a scarecrow, bro.
You already fucking handcuffed me, motherfucker. I don't have my fucking phone. I don't have anything.
You have to
on
let
me.
go of the vape.
It's always the ugly people that act the ugliest. Ain't that crazy?
They're not gonna let you take it.
Do you realize what you guys are doing? I'm fucking suing you guys.
Fuck. The Wicked Witch of the West looking ass.
Good luck.
How am I gonna? I don't have anything on me, you stupid.
You right?
Stop!
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god! You're
Ooh.
fucking hurting.
That looked like that hurted. See? You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, bro.
Good job, you just got battery on LEO too.
You
Good job.
fucking hurted me.
Good job. Give me the vape.
Oh my god! You're a piece of shit, bro. Seriously?
And the ground is
You are
wet.
such a piece of shit. Look what you did to me.
She was 14. She's kind of fighting us, kicked me while she's in here.
Oh, whatever. You're listening to a fucking psycho that wants to.
I'm gonna get you up and you're going in the back of the car, okay?
Okay.
Hell no.
You already
All right.
hurt me enough, and you're going and you're fucking hurting me enough, and you took my phone and everything. Yeah, and you fucking took everything away from me.
What the fuck? You thought you was supposed to keep all your possessions in your hand while you getting arrested? No, your ass going to jail.
Jesus.
People always trip me out when they feel they have entitlement and still are in control of situations when they are going to jail. Baby, you are a prisoner.
Where'd she,
You going to jail.
Carry on Leo now.
where'd she kick you at?
She literally kicked me in the crotch. I got her like, dude.
Damn.
Good job, another charge.
Ain't nothing like a kick in the cooter.
You know I'm gonna get out of jail in like 4 hours. Just take the handcuffs off and I'll be okay. I won't run. Please, you're hurting me right now.
I'll loosen them on.
No, you're not listening.
I said I
you're
will.
Listening to a guy that fucking came in.
It's on video.
And I wouldn't have sex with him. He wanted this. He wanted this. He took my dog. I didn't have sex with him. I don't have any water, nothing. Please! Please!
Uh-oh.
The woman starts kicking the seat, so officers decide to hobble her, but she won't take kindly to more restraints.
No, but look what you're doing to me. Look at my wrist. Look at my wrist.
Well, put your feet down.
Okay, I'm fine. But look how tight the handcuffs are.
Look, she finna act the goddamn fool.
Stop risking them like that, please.
Stop. Oh, you're making it worse on yourself. Just
I know,
relax.
but listen, guys.
Relax.
Do you know what he did to me? No, stop it. You guys have nothing.
Go down the ground. I'm
No,
done. We're done.
I'm hurt.
You're not gonna kick any more officers today.
I
gotta
haven't
unhook it
done
and strap
anything.
it.
You guys
Ugh.
are
Unhook like
fucking
this.
neglecting me.
She ugly as shit. I'm sorry. You can't be ugly and acting ugly.
I don't know how to do
That
that.
doesn't even apply, ma'am.
You guys are hurting me
Flip her
with the
over.
handcuffs. I told you I'd be okay. And you're fucking putting me like in the ground. Ah! Ah! You're hurting me. Oh my god. Stop. Stop getting on my leg.
Stop moving.
Stop getting on my leg. Stop getting on my leg. You're hurting me.
What are you gonna do about it?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I see why her dude called the cops on her. Bro, my advice to you is to never fuck with this lady ever again in life, bro. It is not worth it.
Like, what are you?
People like this are only gonna bring you down. I'm sorry. People like this are only gonna bring you down, especially with their habits. And if they don't want to stop their habits, it's no point even just, fuck that. Fuck that.
Took it to the cuffs?
Yep.
Oh my god,
The
you're
chain or the-
hurting me. You're hurting me right now. Please, stop hurting me.
Don't pick her up,
But
babe.
what about all my belongings, my money, everything?
Stand up.
Did you do that now?
Nope.
No, yes, she did that now. Yes, she did that now.
did not.
Yes, she did.
It's not body
Yes, she
cam.
did. I know. And you guys are a piece of shit. That's a, no, but listen, you don't understand. It's hurting.
Hell nah.
Christ.
She was in prison for 6 years because she hit, the Rock,
No. She hit one of my favorite people of all time.
Dwayne Johnson.
Johnson wrote in an Instagram post that his mother and cousin were in a car that was hit head-on by a drunk driver.
She hit the Rock's mom when she was drunk, and it
You piece of you lit liquor.
was a hit and run. She was in her vehicle and she fled. She was so drunk she didn't even know she fled, and then she ran from the cops, not even realizing it because she was so wasted.
A surprise twist in Carrie's criminal history. We can see now why her boyfriend was so adamant to take the keys from her.
Wow.
Carrie is not finished yet and will continue fighting officers back into jail.
Oh my god. Just get me to the jail so I can bond out. Get me the f out of here! Do you understand that? You haven't gave me water. Like, get me to jail. You're hurting me right now. I have a lawyer. I need to get out of this.
Psycho.
You motherfucker!
I'm gonna send him the link so he can upload that video.
I'm just gonna finish it.
Yeah, if you,
She's flipping out.
yeah, that's fine. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you.
Yep.
I didn't have you took my money. You're a piece of shit, by the way. My money and my cell phone. You understand I can't breathe?
You're talking, you can breathe.
No, it's hot. Ram is there! These handcuffs are, you don't understand. I'm gonna have scars.
Feel weren't fighting with us.
You got a lot of scars on your face already.
Put them on a lot looser. Hey, I got one female. She's being combative though.
Yeah, because he doesn't have a life, and he took her away from a house that a guy she didn't want to have. Why don't you put that in the police report?
We're not taking them all.
Oh my God, I can't even stand.
Relax.
No, I can't relax. You guys, they have me barricaded.
Okay.
No. Oh, my arm.
Getting packed like a burrito is fucking crazy.
My arm. Oh, my leg. Oh, God. What did I do?
Stand up. You have to stand.
Oh, no, my leg.
We're
Look
getting.
at it. No.
Stand
You don't
up.
I can't
You
stand
can't
up.
stand. Let's
Look
sit
at
in the
my
chair.
leg.
There you go.
No.
Hold on, watch your
Can
feet.
you unlit?
Put your feet in there.
No.
Put your feet
Move
in.
your feet inside. This is the stuff that we're talking about.
Yeah, look what you did to my legs.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I can confirm back in 2014, Carrie was involved in a hit and run on the exact date the Rock's mom was hit. For this
Damn.
incident, she was sentenced to 4 years in prison, but the entire sentence was suspended and she was placed on just 1 year's probation
What the fuck? Talk about privilege, bro. Cause, oh man.
instead. For today's incident, she was given 1 year probation and ordered to pay $925 in fines and fees.
Oh,
Just
no.
4 months later, she violated this probation and was ordered to serve 26 days in jail. At Blue Line Body Cam,
They just gonna keep getting her a slap on the wrist, huh?
I always bring never before seen police footage.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.